Hello everyone, I'm Simon from Cooler Master. In this video, I'll be introducing the new TD500 Max, the latest member of our innovative Max series. Built on the foundation of the popular Masterbox TD500 mesh, Cooler Master's case, power, and thermal engineering divisions work together on the TD500 Max to streamline PC building for all levels of users, while still granting the flexibility to customize and modify performance according to any preference. Let's kick off the unboxing. We've included a power cable to connect the PSU to a socket, a short motherboard cable, 2 CPU power cables, an 8-pin and a 4+4 pin one. We also have a short 6+2 pin PCIe cable. And additionally, the TD500 Max comes with a bag and ties and laces for any future cable management needs, some brackets, as well as a syringe of CryoFuse thermal paste, and finally, the TD500 Max instruction manual. Opening the tempered glass panel, you'll find all the necessary screws conveniently organized on this pad. As mentioned, a key feature of the TD500 Max is that the PSU cables are pre-routed and arranged for your convenience. Cooler Master has incorporated these patented 2-stage power connectors so that component installations can be done without needing to open the back panel. You simply need to plug in the CPU cable and motherboard cable right here. All right, to better showcase the convenience of the TD500 Max, I've invited over my colleague, Kathy. Kathy's actually never built a PC before, and today she'll be building not just one, but 2 PCs. So we'll leave it up to you now, Kathy. With a liquid cooling radiator and PSU already installed, plus the cabling being done, you and hopefully Kathy save a ton of time. Meanwhile, for the regular ATX case, we see Kathy having to not only install the radiator and PSU, but also manage the cables. Looks like Kathy is wrapping up the TD500 Max build already. That took her 31 minutes. Meanwhile, Kathy's still working on the regular ATX case, so let's speed up the reel. All right, looks like she's about done as well. That took her 2 hours and 19 minutes. Think you can do it faster than Kathy? Let us know your time and the components you used in the comments below. Thanks to Kathy, the computer is now up and running. Let's take a closer look at the unique AIO cooling system. The TD500 Max comes with a custom-built Master Liquid 360 Atmos, built exclusively for this case. The Master Liquid 360 Atmos feature in the TD500 Max has a thicker 38mm radiator versus the regular Atmos, and is bundled with 3 of our Mobius 120p ARGB fans. These fully in-house designed Mobius fans have quite an interesting origin, as they were first created for industrial cooling needs. Achieving noise levels below 30 decibels at maximum capacity and backed by a 5-year warranty, we thought they'd be pretty cool to put in this case. The result is a juggernaut of a cooling solution that will handle CPUs like the Intel Core i9 or AMD Ryzen 9 with ease. Now let's talk about the power supply unit. The TD500 Max comes with a pre-installed GXII Gold 850 watt, a fully modular ATX3.0 PSU. This PSU features a large, high-quality Japanese capacitor, and in addition, this PSU comes with Cooler Master's durable 90-degree 12-volt high-power cable. As you can see, the 90-degree angle increases lifespan and safety by reducing the stress placed on the cable when you plug it into the GPU. While the GXII Gold 850 watt will be sufficient for virtually any single GPU configuration available today, if you would want to upgrade your PSU in the future, both the GXIII 1250 Gold and the V Platinum 1600 V2 can be easily swapped in. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and please leave a like if you enjoyed this video. And feel free to click the link in the description below to check out the TD500 Max. Thank you.